Yes, finally! Have you ever heard of this word called Zwigs? Zwigs is a roughly straight line alignment of three or more celestial bodies in space which are in the same gravitational system. But why we are talking about this? We are talking because on July 4th of 2020, a rare astronomical event is gonna take place in which all the planets in our solar system align in a straight line, including the dwarf planet Pluto on the one side of the sun. It sounds interesting, right? And these type of alignments are called as planet parades. But all these alignments are not in a straight line, roughly straight line, because each planet's orbit was tilted in different angles, which makes it a zigzag line with small angles of deviation. But what is special in this time is that the angle of deviation is relatively small when compared to the other planet parades. There are different types of planet parades that occur in space. Let's start with mini planet parades. When three planets come in a straight line, they are called as mini planet parades. These are quite often because we can see the Saturn, Jupiter and Earth in a straight line. These are quite common. Then comes the small planet parades. When four planets come in a straight line, these are called as small planet parades. Then comes the large planet parades, in which 6 to 5 planets come in a straight line alignment. Now, the last and the greatest, the Great Planet Parade, in which all the planets in our solar system and sometimes Pluto comes in a straight alignment, which is quite rare. During these planet parades, all the planets appear as a small dots in some part of the sky. So, and it is also depends on the viewer and from where he was viewing the planet parade. These are quite rare. The last one had occurred in 1982 and next one will occur in 2161. So don't miss it. To know more about these planet parades, I will leave the references in the description so that you can follow up with this event. So stay tuned, stay safe. Finally, bye Captain. Hey there, these kind of things were quite rare. So please do share this work with all of your friends so that they will not gonna miss this event. So finally signing off, bye Captain.